Good morning students, I am Kavita Monga, lecturer physics from Government Polytechnic College Kuni Majra. Today we will study about surface tension. The topics which we will cover today are, we will define surface tension, then its causes, its examples, different examples of surface tension, then what are application of surface tension, then factors affecting surface tension, adhesive forces क्या होती है, cohesive forces क्या होती है, then formation of meniscus, capillary action, examples of capillary action, ascent formula, and finally the determination of surface tension by capillary rise method. So all these topics we will cover today. So to start with, just see in this picture, how is this possible? How is this possible that an insect can walk on the surface of water? So how it is possible? Why certain insects can walk on water? The reason is the surface of water, it behaves almost as if it had an elastic skin. So this surface of water, it behaves as elastic skin. So this behavior is due to an imbalance of intermolecular forces at the surface of water. So we will discuss all these things in detail, that why this surface of water, it behaves like an elastic membrane. So this behavior we say, we will define, this is surface tension. This is due to surface tension that the surface of a liquid, it behaves like an elastic membrane. So few definitions. What are molecular forces? So molecular forces, the force of attraction or repulsion existing between the molecules of various substances are called molecular forces. So कोई substance ऐसे water है या milk is there, honey is there, तो उसके जो molecules हैं उनमें जो attraction है, force of attraction or repulsion existing between the molecules, this is called these are called molecular forces. So force of cohesion क्या होती है? This is the force of attraction between molecules of same substance. So same substance, से honey के molecules में, water के molecules में, glass है तो glass के molecules में जो आपस में force है, that is called force of cohesion, and it is attractive in nature. Next is force of adhesion. This is force of attraction between the molecules of two dissimilar substances. So दो अलग अलग, say glass and water. एक ग्लास का टम्बलर है, उसमें पानी पड़ा हुआ है, वाटर है, तो उसमें ग्लास और वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स में जो फोर्सेस हैं, अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस, दे आर कॉल्ड फोर्स ऑफ एडहेशन. सो मोलिकुलर फोर्सेस, फोर्सेस बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूल्स, force of cohesion, forces between molecules of same substance, and force of adhesion, this is attractive force between molecules of different types of substance. Now next, what is molecular range? Molecular range क्या होती है? The maximum distance up to which a molecule can exert force of attraction on another molecule is called molecular range. So एक molecule दूसरे molecule कहाँ तक वो molecule हो कि it can exert force. So the maximum distance. So the maximum distance up to which a molecule can exert force of attraction on another molecule is called molecular range. The next is sphere of influence. Sphere of influence क्या होता है? This is a sphere. It is a sphere drawn around a particular molecule as the center and molecular range as the radius. So एक molecule को center में रख के molecular range को radius मान के जो sphere plot करेंगे, that is called sphere of influence. इसका indirectly meaning ये है कि वो जो molecule है जिसको center में रखा है, वो उन्हीं मॉलिक्यूल्स पे अपनी एक्सर्ट करेगा फोर्स जो स्फीयर ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस के बीच में होंगे. सो नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज सरफेस फिल्म? सरफेस फिल्म, दिस इज द टॉप मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ एन लिक्विड हैविंग थिकनेस इक्वल टू मॉलिक्यूलर रेंज. सो किसी भी लिक्विड सरफेस की टॉप मोस्ट जो लेयर है, जिसकी थिकनेस मॉलिक्यूलर रेंज के बराबर है उसको सरफेस फिल्म कहते हैं. सो दीज वर फ्यू डेफिनेशंस विच वर इम्पॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो सरफेस फिल्म, the topmost layer. Sphere of influence, this is the sphere with molecule at center and molecular range as radius. So now let's define what is surface tension. So after we have discussed all these few important definition that what is molecular force, surface film क्या होती है, sphere of influence क्या होता है, now we can define what is surface tension. So surface tension is a phenomena in which the surface of a liquid where the liquid is in contact with gas acts like an thin elastic sheet. So surface of liquid which is in contact with gas, it behaves like thin elastic sheet. This term is typically used only when the liquid surface is in contact with gas or with air. If the surface is between two liquids such as water and oil, then it is called interface टेंशन. सो सरफेस टेंशन टर्म तब बोलते हैं जब एक लिक्विड हो और दूसरा गैस हो या एयर हो, उन दोनों के बीच में कॉन्टैक्ट जो हम लेयर बोलेंगे दैट इज़ कॉल्ड, द फिनोमिना इज़ कॉल्ड सरफेस टेंशन. लेकिन अगर ये सेम फिनोमिना हम दो लिक्विड माने, उनके सरफेस का जो इंटरफेस है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इंटरफेस टेंशन. So surface tension is measured as the energy required to increase the surface area of a liquid by a unit of area. The surface tension of a liquid results from an imbalance of intermolecular attractive forces, that is the cohesive forces between the molecule. So surface tension क्यों होती है? This is due to imbalance of intermolecular forces. A macroscopic view of water illustrates the difference between molecules at the surface of liquid and the water molecules within a liquid. So this will become more clear when we will see the figure, this diagram. So in this diagram molecules are shown, say liquid say water. Some we take example of water. So say these are water molecules, okay, these molecules they are in between. So molecule in bulk liquid experience cohesive force with other molecules in all direction. So here it experience the attractive cohesive force from all directions. A molecule at the surface of liquid experience only net inward cohesive force. So जो molecule surface पे होगा it will experience only force in the downward direction क्योंकि उसके ऊपर कोई molecule नहीं है. लेकिन जो molecule center में है, in between है, it will experience equal force from all the directions. So this will result in imbalance of forces. So the imbalanced attraction of molecules at the surface of a liquid tend to pull the molecule back into the bulk liquid, leaving the minimum number of molecules on the surface. So ये जो surface वाले molecules हैं, ये they will experience a net force in the downward direction. So due to which the required energy to increase the surface area of a liquid, because a larger surface area contains more molecules in the unbalanced situation. So because of this imbalance of forces, this topmost layer of the liquid, it behaves as stretched membrane or elastic membrane. The molecules at the surface of this sample of liquid water are not surrounded by other water molecules. The molecules inside the sample are surrounded by other molecules. So जो बीच में है they are surrounded by other molecules, but जो top पे है they are not surrounded by other molecules. So they experience a net downward force. So causes of surface tension. What are the causes of surface tension? Various intermolecular forces such as van der Waals forces draw the liquid particles together. Along the surface, the particles are pulled toward the rest of the liquid as shown in the picture. We already discussed the picture. So surface tension, it is denoted by the symbol is Greek variable gamma. It is defined as ratio of surface force F to the length T along with the force. So the mathematical formula of surface tension becomes, this is force divided by distance d. So we can denote this surface tension either by gamma or with T. So this T, this is given as F upon d. F is force and d is distance. So van der Waals forces are small attractive forces caused by movement of charges inside a molecule. Within a liquid, molecules are attracted to each other from all directions. Therefore, a molecule will not experience a net force because they will all cancel out. On the surface of the liquid, molecules are pulled to each other and inward neighboring molecules. Therefore, there will be a net inward force because there are no forces acting on the molecule from above. So, all this we have already discussed. So, because of this, what happens? The topmost layer, it behaves like a stretched membrane. So, topmost layer, the molecules in the top layer, they do not experience any force from above because there are no molecules in the upward direction, but the molecule inside the liquid, it experience equal force from all direction. So, here net resultant force is 0, but here in the topmost layer, the liquid or the molecules, they suffer downward force. So, this is this imbalance of forces that the layer, it behaves as stretched membrane. So, the strength of attraction between particles are greatly, they affect the property of the substance. So, again the same thing, topmost layer, it behaves as membrane. Why? Because there is no force in the upward direction. So, to create more surface, the molecules at the surface must be separated from one another. To separate the molecules require that work be done. So, surface tension must be overcome. Surface tension results from the net inward force experienced by the molecules on the surface of a liquid. Bulk molecules are equally attracted to their neighbors. So, bulk molecules कौन से हैं? ये जो बीच में है. So, they are equally attracted by their neighbors. So, surface molecules are only attracted inward toward the bulk molecules, thereby reducing the surface area and make molecules at the surface pack closely together. So, जो top surface में liquid molecules होंगे, they are closely packed together. So, this causes the liquid as if it has a skin. So, it behaves like membrane. Surface tension is the amount of energy required to increase the surface area of liquid by a unit amount. So, this is another way of defining surface tension, or you can say this is definition of surface tension, that this is the amount of energy required to increase the surface area of liquid by a unit amount. Stronger intermolecular forces cause higher surface tension. So, अगर intermolecular forces stronger हैं तो surface tension ज़्यादा होगी. So, two examples are here given. Water has high surface tension because of H bonding. So, water surface की surface tension क्यों ज़्यादा है? क्योंकि उसकी intermolecular forces ज़्यादा है. Mercury has a even higher surface tension because of strong metallic bonds. So, mercury की surface tension water से भी ज़्यादा है क्योंकि mercury की intermolecular forces water से ज़्यादा है. So, surface tension is a property of liquid that results from tendency of liquid to minimize their surface area. So, in order to minimize their surface area, liquid form drop that are spherical. So, as long as there is no gravity. So, this is very important application of surface tension, that why liquid drops, they are spherical in nature. So, the answer is, the reason is this, due to surface tension, they have tendency to minimize their surface area. So, because of surface tension, liquids, they have tendency to minimize their surface area, and this is the reason that why the liquid drops, they are spherical in nature. The layer of molecules on the surface behave differently than the interior because the cohesive forces on the surface molecules have a net pull into the liquid interior. So, the liquid surface or the surface layer acts like a elastic skin. So, now this I am going to show you very interesting slides in which you can visualize the phenomena of surface tension. Means आप देख पाओगे कि what is happening on the this surface of the liquid. So what is going on the surface of the liquid? Let's take a look. So on becoming इसको closer लाने पे, पास लाने पे, so what will happen to this? हमें molecules दिखने शुरू हो जाएंगे. So these are water molecules. और पास लाने पे we will see that this top layer, in this top layer the molecules are arranged randomly. So particles that make up a liquid are in constant random motion. They are randomly arranged. So particles, they are in random motion and they are randomly arranged. मतलब कोई particular arrangement नहीं है. They are randomly arranged. So you might expect the particle at the surface at the micro level to form a random surface. So ये random surface बनाएगा. This is random surface, कोई elastic membrane नहीं है. So ऐसा होना चाहिए था, but होता क्या है? Just see. But how do intermolecular forces influence the surface? ये जो intermolecular forces surface को कैसे influence करती हैं? ये intermolecular attractions हैं, cohesive forces हैं. जो molecule अंदर हैं, बीच में हैं, they suffer attraction from all sides. They suffer attraction from all sides. But जो surface पे हैं, they suffer attraction only from downward sides. So ऊपर की तरफ कोई net force नहीं है. So सारी जो forces हैं, they are in downward direction. So what happens now? The result of this downward force is that surface particles are pulled down until counterbalanced by the compression resistance of the liquid. So they are pulled down और उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? Now they become, surface molecules are compressed more tightly together, forming a sort of skin on the surface with less distance between them compared to the molecules below. So नीचे वाले molecules में distance ज़्यादा है, इनमें distance कम है, so they are compressed and that is why they behave as skin or they behave as elastic membrane. So surface molecules also form a much smoother surface than one would expect from randomly moving molecules. So they make a smooth surface. So now this is why a liquid drop, this is the reason why a liquid drop is spherical in nature. So in order to achieve minimum surface area, so it acquire this spherical shape. So this explains the characteristic rounded shape that liquids form when dropping through the air. The molecules are all being pulled toward the center. The molecules are all being pulled toward the center. So this explains the characteristic rounding shape that liquids form when dropping through the air. So a water drop or any liquid drop, this is spherical in nature. Water has very high surface tension. So that is why it is spherical in nature. Now calculating surface tension, the formula to calculate surface tension is force divided by distance. T is symbol or gamma is symbol, F is force and D is distance. Now next is what are units of surface tension? So surface tension के ऐसा ही system में unit Newton upon meter है, force upon distance. Force is measured in Newton, distance in meter. CGS में it will be Dian upon centimeter. These forces bind the surface particles together. Though this binding is weak, it is pretty easy to break the surface of a liquid. After all, it does manifest in many ways. So different units, important units of surface tension are Newton upon meter and Dian upon centimeter. Now let's consider few examples of surface tension. Very important topic. Examples क्या हैं surface tension के? So drops of liquid. Why it is spherical in nature? Why liquid drops or water drops are spherical in nature? So this is due to surface tension. So when using a water dropper, the water does not flow in continuous stream, but rather in a series of drops. The shape of drop is caused by surface tension of the water. Next example, needle or paper clip float on water. A needle or a paper clip can float on water. Why? Because again the surface of this water liquid, it behaves like a stretched membrane. So even though the density of these objects are greater than water, the surface tension along the depression is enough to counterpart the force of gravity pulling down the metal objects. So the needle or the paper clip, it floats. Another example is insects walking on water. So why insects can walk on water? Again the same reason, that the surface of water, it behaves like stretched elastic membrane. So this is water strider insect. So this can move on water surface. Another example is dew drops. So dew drops, they are also spherical in nature. Why they are spherical in nature? Again because of surface tension. So have you noticed that the drops of water on the leaves in your garden in the early morning, the moisture in the atmosphere condenses in the early morning and beats on the leaves due to the surface tension. The surface tension gives spherical shape to water drops. Another example is beading of water in waxed car. अगर कार को पॉलिश किया गया है, वैक्स किया गया है, तो उसके ऊपर अगर पानी गिरेगा तो अगेन इट विल फॉर्म ड्रॉप्स, बीड्स. Waxing changes the surface properties of your car. When the raindrops fall on your waxed car, they smoothly slide down to the ground, keeping your car neat and clean and untouched. Water tends to adhere weakly to the wax and strongly to itself. Next, mercury used in thermometer. Why mercury is used in thermometer? So the mercury used in the thermometer does not stick to the wall of the capillary tube. So why it does not stick? Because of the surface tension. Had it stuck to the wall, the measurement of temperature would not have been correct. So हम thermometer use करते हैं, उसमें mercury use करते हैं. Why? Because of its high surface tension, it does not stick to walls. Then separation of oil from water. Another example of surface tension. The separation of oil and water is caused due to the difference in surface tension of the two liquids. So दोनों की surface tension अलग होती है. So they have different properties. So they have different viscosity. So they can be easily separated. Another example of surface tension is soap bubbles. So ordinarily the bubbles in water are unstable, but when surface टेंशन अगर हम उसमें कोई डाल देते हैं, जैसे सोप सोल्यूशन बना लेते हैं, सो वो एक इम्प्योरिटी है, इम्प्योरिटी की तरह डालने से सरफेस टेंशन चेंज हो जाती है. सो सरफेस टेंशन इज़ रिड्यूस्ड बाय द फैक्टर ऑफ 3 और मोर. इन सच वाटर द बबल्स कैन रिमेन stable. Hence lots of bubbles are seen in such liquids. Now next topic is what are the different factors which affect surface tension. So surface tension को temperature affect करता है, impurities भी affect करती हैं. So the stronger the intermolecular attractive forces, the higher the surface tension will be. Rising the temperature of liquid reduces its surface tension. टेम्परेचर बढ़ाओगे सरफेस टेंशन कम हो जाएगी. सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग सरफेस टेंशन? सबसे पहले आ गया टेम्परेचर. सो रेजिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑफ लिक्विड इंक्रीजेज द एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स. द इंक्रीज्ड मॉलिक्यूलर मोशन मेक्स इट ईजियर टू स्ट्रेच द सरफेस. सो टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से काइनेटिक एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल्स की बढ़ जाती है, जिसकी वजह से उनका मोशन फास्टर हो जाता है और सरफेस टेंशन डिक्रीज हो जाती है. So effect of temperature. Surface tension is temperature dependent. Surface tension decreases linearly with an increasing temperature. Temperature बढ़ेगा तो surface tension कम हो जाएगी. Surface tension goes to zero at boiling point. So जब liquid boil करना शुरू कर देता है, surface tension zero हो जाती है. So the graph on the next slide shows the surface tension of an organic liquid as a function of temperature. So this graph shows if this side represent temperature and this side this gamma surface tension. लो टेम्परेचर पे सरफेस टेंशन ज़्यादा है, जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा सरफेस टेंशन स्टार्ट्स डिक्रीजिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट पे आके ये सरफेस टेंशन ज़ीरो हो जाती है. सो अफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर. एज द टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेस surface tension decreases. Now next topic, let's start with what are the applications of surface tension. What are different applications of surface tension? So first, how this bug can walk on water surface? So the answer is surface tension. This is due to surface tension that an insect can walk on water surface. How can this lizard run across the water surface? Again due to surface tension. surface tension of soap solution is less. It can spread over large areas and wash clothes. So different applications of surface tension. So सबसे पहले washing cloth है. So washing cloth में हम क्या करते हैं, हम पानी में डिटर्जेंट डाल देते हैं, सोप डाल देते हैं. So सोप डालने से वाटर की surface tension कम हो जाती है. So surface tension of soap solution is less. So it can spread over large areas and wash clothes more effectively since the dirt particles stick to the soap molecules. Another example is in soldering. Soldering हम क्या करते हैं, addition of flux reduces the surface tension of molten tin. So molten tin हम यूज़ करते हैं soldering के लिए, गन यूज़ करते हैं, और जो फ्लक्स होती है वो क्या करती है, reduces the surface tension of tin, जिसकी वजह से it spreads. surface tension कम होने से liquid will spread, ज़्यादा spread करेगा वो. So that is why हम wash कर सकते हैं soap डालने से clothes, soldering कर सकते हैं. Another example is antiseptics. So antiseptic like Dettol have low surface tension. Dettol की surface tension कम होती है, so that they spread faster. So जल्दी spread कर जाता है antiseptic Dettol या Savlon. Another example is surface tension prevent waters from passing through the pores of an umbrella. So umbrella के जो हम वो देखा जाए तो क्यों उसमें से पानी नीचे नहीं ड्रॉप आता है, तो वो एक कपड़ा ही, बिकॉज सरफेस टेंशन इट प्रिवेंट्स वाटर फ्रॉम पासिंग थ्रू द पोर्स ऑफ द अम्ब्रेला. सो दिस वाज अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सरफेस टेंशन. A duck is able to float on water as its feathers secrete oil that lowers the surface tension of water. Duck क्यों water surface पे float करती है, because its जो feather उसके पंख होते हैं, it secretes oil that lowers the surface tension of the water. surface tension के और uses क्या है, to preserve moisture in field. हम जो field की plowing करते हैं, plowing करने से क्या होता है, उसमें pores आ जाते हैं. pores आने से क्या फ़ायदा होता है कि it preserves moisture in the field. Another example is dam proof foundation of buildings. So buildings में हम जो foundation बनाते हैं उसके ऊपर कोल तार की layering कर देते हैं. So it is to dam proof foundation of building. Another example is prevention of loss of water from canals. Then dam proof floors. Then action of lubricants. So lubricants हम मशीन की lubrication करते हैं उनकी friction कम करने के लिए. ऑयल यूज़ करते हैं. ऑयल क्यों यूज़ करते हैं, क्योंकि उनकी सरफेस टेंशन कम होती है. सो अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ सरफेस टेंशन. सो आफ्टर डिस्कसिंग डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस, डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सरफेस टेंशन, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एडहेसिव एंड कोहेसिव फोर्सेस. सो कोहेसिव फोर्सेस हम ऑलरेडी डेफिनेशन कर चुके हैं इसकी. सो फोर्सेस बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ सेम सब्सटेंस. सो कोहेसिव फोर्सेस आर मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस दैट बाइंड मॉलिक्यूल टू वन अदर. Another example, hydrogen bonding, metallic bonding between atoms. So atoms of similar nature. So intermolecular forces between like molecules, example water and oil. Adhesive forces क्या होती हैं? These are intermolecular forces that bind molecules to a surface. So forces between unlike molecules. Example water and wood, mercury and glass. पानी या wood के बीच में या मर्करी और ग्लास के बीच में जो फोर्सेस हैं अनलाइक मॉलिक्यूल्स, दे आर एडहेसिव फोर्सेस. सो फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन अ लिक्विड एंड अ सॉलिड सरफेस आर कॉल्ड एडहेसिव फोर्सेस. द डिफरेंस इन बिटवीन कोहेसिव फोर्सेस एंड एडहेसिव फोर्सेस determine the behavior of a liquid in contact with the solid surface. Water does not wet wax surfaces because the cohesive forces within the drops are stronger than the adhesive forces between the drops and the wax. So जो different behaviors हम discuss करेंगे अभी, डिपेंड करते हैं कि कोहेसिव या एडहेसिव फोर्सेस में कौन सी स्ट्रॉन्गर है. कोहेसिव स्ट्रॉन्गर है या एडेसिव स्ट्रॉन्गर है. सो वन एग्जांपल इज से वैक्स्ड सरफेस है, उसके ऊपर पानी गिराया, वो वैक्स सरफेस को वेट क्यों नहीं कर रहा, क्यों गीला नहीं कर रहा? बिकॉज वाटर के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स की कोहेसिव फोर्सेस they are stronger than the adhesive forces between water and waxed surface. So there are different phenomena which are explained on the behavior of these cohesive and adhesive forces.